Supporters are now applauding the actions that one man is taking to exercise his Second Amendment rights.
Now, last week we showed you a clip from his YouTube channel as he tests police response when he openly carries an AR-15 assault rifle, in this case in downtown Forest Grove. Now, what he's doing is legal, but does that make it right? Tim Becker asked that question today. He joins us live from Selwood, where police had to deal with a similar situation last year. Tim?
Yeah, Jenny, police in this area fielded a lot of 911 calls when that happened last year. A couple of guys walking down the street exercising their rights to bear arms. And you can do that. Oregon, as a state, has an open carry law, though it does get a little more specific and vary from city to city and county to county. Now, we did go ahead and show the video of the man in Forest Grove who calls himself Marked Guardian on YouTube to some parents in the Selwood area. One man in particular who remembers last year's similar incident that drew heavy police response. We also spoke with someone at the Oregon Firearms Association. Both sides acknowledge the guy's right to bear arms in the video, but they differ on whether it makes it the right thing to do. It drums up a lot of 911 calls, it can tax police resources, and say other things, it can put a scare into the people even though it's perfectly legal.
As far as assault rifles and what they've done and how many, people they've killed in this country, to openly carry them in public, it's worse than going into a crowded movie theater and yelling fire.
It's hard for me not to respond to the fire in a crowded theater thing, because you know what? You can shout fire in a crowded theater. You can do it any time you want. You suffer the consequences, but gun control laws are intended to make you suffer consequences before you've done anything.
Kevin STARRETT there of the Oregon Firearms Association says if someone is not doing anything dangerous, unlawful, or threatening, hey, it's not up to him, Kevin in this case, to tell that person he shouldn't do it. Also, what is legal and what is not? In certain counties, you can openly carry a loaded firearm. Some cities you can, but you can also, in others, not have a loaded gun. You can carry it out in the open, but it can't be loaded. So what are the rules here in Portland and Multnomah County specifically? I'll have an answer to that when I have more on this issue, and that'll be coming up on KOIN 6 News at 5:30. For now, reporting live in Selwood, Tim Becker, KOIN 6 News.
Very